good morning. Today we have Minu with us, who is from the company Dserve. Can you introduce yourself and the company?
Sure, I'm Minu. I'm handling marketing and operations section of Dserve.
Okay, so can you tell something about your company?
Sure, because Dserve is basically dealing with the dental equipment repair and service. So we do repair of all brands of dental equipment like NSK, Cow, W&H, and any brands. So as well as all kind of equipment as well.
So what equipment does your company deal with?
We do repair of all dental and surgical equipments, like as well as all brands of dental equipment as well. NSK, Cow, W&H, Sirona, if any brand we do, as well as all kind of equipment as well. Aeroturf, conjugal, straight and piece, implant and piece, endomotor. Initially, we started with some of the brands only, but gradually we increased the brands as an adult. So the thing is, other equipment, the varieties of equipments are as of now we are doing. So we have enough team to handle as well.
Okay, so what exactly is your vision?
Our vision is striving to be the best quality brand throughout the world in the dental and surgical equipment repair and service sector.
Okay, so is this company situated only in Kochi or all over India?
No, actually not only Cochin, we have our service center set up in Cochin only, but pan-India we are providing service.
Okay, so how do you coordinate with the doctors?
Yeah, Tangas, I have, it's a wonderful question. I understood your concern regarding this logistic part maybe, yeah. Pan-India we are providing service. I don't think it's not a big concern of from the side of doctors and us too, because we are handling past 2 to 3 years.
Yes.
The thing is, we are today's modernized world. There are so many technological advancement will be there, no. So courier handling, transparency, everything will be more convenient and accessible to everyone. So doctors have no such kind of a concern regarding the distance may not be the part. If the doctors are accessing the good quality service, it will be great.
Yeah. So how do you manage all this pan-India service?
Yeah, we have enough team. So service only in the service center that is set up fully manufacturing unit in Cochin itself, but pan-India we are providing. So we have supporting offices around the world. So it is easy to access.
Okay, how long has your company been in the India market?
Yeah, actually 2014 onwards we are in the market, but intensively as a brand Dserve is only in the 2018 onwards.
Okay, and what makes your company unique from the others?
Yeah, there are so many reasons to be different from others, because there are so many service providers as well. I understood your concern. We have a strong team in the case of technical team, service departments and all. We have a department wise in the service center, because in the case of electrical and electronic, pneumatic and mechanical, each and every departments are handling headed by senior persons. They are well experienced and well knowledgeable. They are handling very smoothly, as well as we have company is very concerned about the quality of the spares. It's most important part for providing a service. So we are providing best quality. We are trying to maximum quality spares to customers. So that's why company providing warranty to the replaced spares as well.
So what is the future of your company? What future do you see?
We want to move. I told you, no. So our vision is to expand our brand into the world market.
Okay.
So we have to diversify our market in the sense of all equipment. If the service provider somebody is searching in that way, Dserve will be there. So a trustable partner will be there. In that way, we move in that way.
So how does your company Dserve stand out from the others?
Well, Dserve stand out from our other service providers as we have so many reasons to be different from others, because we have well service technicians are available. We have potential team in the case of we have a department wise team is available in the case of electrical and electronic, pneumatic, mechanical, Everything is managed by, headed by each department head. So they are well trained and professionalized in that area. So it is very smooth work in that field. Then another one is we are servicing only the thing is we are providing best quality spares to the doctors, because each spares are trying to provide best quality spares. Spare quality is very important when we providing quality service to our customer. It is the main part, the spare quality of the spares. So we are companies trying to provide best possible quality spares to our customers, as well as so that's why company provide a warranty on the replaced spares. Another attracting part is we are maximum component wise servicing we are providing. So for example, in the case of aeroter, there are we are not replacing the entire cartridge. Instead of that, we are repairing the cartridge. There are so many other small parts inside the cartridge, so we can, it is an innovative way of the DSO. It is that's why it is affordable, cost friendly to the dentist as well. The thing is, another one is we are well equipped, this advanced technology we are using each and every point of thing, even the service and other department as well. So we have internal softwares handled to the each and every customers particularly. So that's why pan India service make us it's more convenient and more easy to track, and everything it's very transparent. And the other one is we have internal software named D2S. It is very, we are own software we are developed in order to our convenience. We make it that one. Then next one is our administrative and supporting team. It's all together combined to the one pillar. That's why DSO stand out to the other service providers. It's different.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.